There is always a way out. And anytime that's forgotten, anytime things seem hopeless, take a step back and realize that your situation is self-induced. Your outlook is working against you. There is with 100% certainty a solution that exists for your problem. And you need to know that because obviously there are going to be times when things feel impossible. When your talent, your progress, and your potential are camouflaged. You wouldn't be able to see them if they were 2 inches from your face. But the scariest thing about the darkness isn't the dark itself. It's the fear that comes from not knowing. It's the idea that the next plausible step is now concealed. Of course, you question your future. You can't see it. But check this out. How much of a difference would it make if while you stood there in total darkness, in pitch black, you knew that to your left, to your right, in front of you and behind you, there was your light switch. There was your solution. And all you had to do was reach out and find it, to stay composed and trust that it's there. If you want to change your life, spend less time questioning the destination and more time creating your map. The question is never if. The only internal debate worth having is how. Doubt is what kills progress. It diminishes dreams, not the process. Not failure. You will experience setbacks. You will question whether the pursuit is worth it. And that's amazing because every single human in history that wanted more than what they currently had dealt with that. Now you're at the fork in the road and you can panic, you can turn around, or you can reach out 3 feet and recreate your momentum. And I guarantee you that to get where you're going, you will face that dilemma over and over again. Your future comes down to whether you choose to see past the illusion of darkness. Whether you're sensible enough to understand that every day the sun comes up and night retreats. Not only are you stronger than the unknown, you decide its fate. Look, you don't need to have all the answers. Just find your switch. Create your light. Go to the next stop because soon enough you'll be able to look back and realize that under the cover of darkness, you have arrived.